Hey lovelies! Okay, I'm gonna try to keep it down because I'm filming at night and my toddler is asleep beside me. And if you hear any noise, it's because my husband is playing a video game with the kids and they're in the sala, living room. Anyways, this month, for the month of June, it is premium and luxe. Let me see if I can hold it in front. Okay, so that's what I got here. As per usual, we're gonna start with the premium. All this packaging. Okay, so this month's theme is Express Yourself, fitting June, Pride Month, so hence the colors. Okay, starting off, the very first item is from Lorac. It is the Lorac Pro Palette Artiste Edition Meraki. Unfortunately, I cannot use this. I've gone talc free, so I will probably be putting this in a giveaway. Those are the shades. Neutral palette. Next item is this right here. It's just not upside down. Is it upside down? There we go. It is the Patrick Ta Beauty Major Volume Mascara and Intensely Black Ultra Dramatic Mascara, custom buildable, cut brush, combs through and loads your lashes for the ultimate volume, lift, and definition. So Patrick Ta is actually a brand new brand to Boxy. Okay, next item is actually the choice item. This is the item I chose. So I've already gone through a full size and a mini size of this, so obviously I'm happy to have it and I chose it. So anyway, this is the Glow Recipe Plum Plump Hyaluronic Serum. This concentrated formula is your go-to serum for plump, radiant skin. This silky water gel serum features a unique blend of 3 types of plum, hyaluronic acid, and vegan collagen. The formula contains 5 weights of hyaluronic acid to target different layers of the skin for deep hydration. And as you know, I'm a dry bitch. So anything that says hydration, you got me. Next one. This is from Ofra Cosmetics. This is actually a highlighter and one of their most coveted, most famous shades, Rodeo Drive. Let's see if I can get a good swatch for you guys. I don't know if you can see it with my lights on, but it's like a nice golden color. Okay, so this says Ofra Cosmetics highlighter. This gorgeous highlighter is a one-way ticket to your most radiant skin ever. It's made with light reflecting pearl pigments to illuminate your features and give your complexion a warm, shimmery sheen. So happy to have that. I love highlighters. Next item is this right here. It's a Shadow Moon. Honestly, at first I thought there was like 2 in here and I thought they were like stuck together, but they're not. It's all one piece. It's like made of silicone anyways. For you to like kind of hold in place right here to get like a nice, you know, defined line when you're blending. Helps it fall out so you don't get, you know, like eyeshadow all over your face. Anyways, let's see what they say about this. this says Shadow Moon Reusable Shadow Shield. This is a silicone reusable shadow shield for fast and flawless eye makeup application. It catches eyeshadow fallout and creates a straight edge for eyeshadow and wing liner. For a perfect application, it doubles as an under eye cooler to help soothe puffy morning eyes, cool in the fridge or freezer to depuff your under eye area. It's designed with a grip, so no adhesive needed. I'm gonna tell you right now, this is not grip at all. It's straight up like a plasticky soft silicone. There is no way this false advertisement, because this does not. There's no way this is gonna stick without you. You'd have to hold it, but I don't know why it says that on the card. But anyway, I digress. It's still cool to have. I'm still gonna try it out. Okay, last but not least, let's see. This is actually not on my card, and I think because my other choice item was the Dominique Cosmetics cream blush, but they sent me an email with a $12 coupon code or whatever to use to the drop shop because they didn't have enough to put in the boxes or whatever, which makes no sense because for choice for this month, which is the choices we're gonna make for next month for July, you're able to shop the drop shop right after you pick your choices, and in the drop shop they had all 3 shades available. So make that make sense, because it don't make sense. How is it that you didn't have enough quantities to put in the boxes for people who chose the item, but you have enough quantities to sell? I am confusion. Again, I digress. So this is by Persona. This is in the shade Warm Brown. It is pretty much a words are escaping me right now. I'm sorry, it's late and I'm tired. A tinted brow gel. Damn, why was that so hard to say? A tinted brow gel. It's got like those like fibers in it to cling onto your brows to make your brows look nice and full. So I'm happy to receive this, but it's not what I chose. I ain't at it though. All right, next box. Lux. This packaging. So this says Summer Lux 2022. First item from Beauty Bakery, which unfortunately I did choose, but no, given the choices they had, I was like, really wasn't feeling much of any of the choices. I'm like, this would be cute to give away because I cannot use it. It contains talc, and as I've already said, I've gone talc free, so this is gonna be a nice giveaway item. This is basically essentially a highlighter palette. It says blush and highlight, but honestly speaking, I think I see like 1 blush shade in here and like 3 highlights. Whatever, I'm not gonna hide the packaging anyway. That's gonna go in a future giveaway. That is, oh wait, before I chuck it, let me talk about it. This says Beauty Bakery Cotton Candy Champagne Blush Palette. Toast to good times and major sweet cheeks. With 4 rose flush shades, this matte and metallic sheens will leave you feeling light and bubbly. So celebrate with a second serving of the Cotton Candy Champagne Blush Palette. I wonder if they really do have like a cotton candy champagne. I would like to try that. Let me know in the comments below if there is a such thing. I'll probably Google it, to be honest. Okay, this is a repeat item. I'm not mad at it. So I think I got this last month. Again, not mad at it. I like moisturizers. I am very, very dry. We know this already. So this is the Element Superfood Midnight Facial, a prebiotic overnight sleeping cream that leaves dry, thirsty skin feeling silky, soft, radiant, and replenishes moisture upon waking. Infused with superfoods, camu, banana flower, and cacao nib extract. This vitamin and mineral rich formula nourishes the skin and minimizes visible signs of fatigue. I've got 3 kids. I always look tired. Anyways. Moving on. Okay, this is by NARS. NARS is not cruelty free. I will be passing this along. Plus, it's in a shade I am not gonna wear. So this is NARS Iconic Lipstick. No rules, just lips. A new formula, dynamic blend of moringa and passion fruit seed oils enhances color vibrancy and condition lips for radically lightweight wear and unprecedented feel, endless artistry, infinite expression. Is a lipstick. Next. Oh, I was so excited to get this. If you know, you know. But this has gone viral on TikTok. Anyways, this is from Alicia Keys skincare brand. This is the Keys Soul Care Let Me Glow Illuminating Priming Serum with niacinamide. A hydrating, illuminating complexion and makeup priming serum that reveals a healthy golden glow while helping brighten, plump, and soothe the look of your skin. Yes, I cannot wait to try this. Oh, yes. So excited to get this. Look what we got. More Patrick Ta. Okay. Patrick Ta Major Glow Lip Shine. You know what I'm trying to say. Flattering high shine lip gloss with the cushion and slip of a lip balm for zero stickiness, all shine. I do not own this. I own one of his newer lip glosses, but none from when he released like this line. So this, like, the other one I got was like the pumping one. This is the regular like high shine lip gloss. So it is, and it smells minty. Did it get in my nose? Shouldn't get on my nose. But essentially it looks pretty clear, but it's like got so much like microfine glitters and shimmers. Like, I don't think you're gonna be able to see it with my light on, but it is so pretty. Love that for me. Okay, next. This is the item I will be passing on to my madre because I do not use silicones on my hair. This is the this brand right here, which I cannot pronounce. Anyway, cactus flower leave-in conditioner. This conditioner may provide heat protection up to 450 degrees, but is carefully formulated for more than just that. The botanical blend also prevents breakage, repairs damage, enhances shine, and increases softness. Plus, it carries this brand's signature citrus scent, aka smells heavenly. I wonder if this is what I was smelling when I opened the box, because when I opened the box, there was some type of scent. So I wasn't sure if it was this or the other product in here, but it probably is this. It's not bad smelling. It's just, it's potent. She potent. Let's see. Oh, I got this. This will probably go on to my husband. This is the LMS Clarifying Clay Wash. Deeply cleanses pores and reduces the look of blemishes with this purifying facial wash specifically formulated for oily or blemish-prone skin. I don't really suffer from blemishes except for that time of the month. And oily, I wish. No, I am very dry, so this is not marketed for me, but I think this will work well on my husband. Not to say that he's oily, but he does suffer from blemishes, and can't really see him, but he's got a lot of blackheads. And let me stop putting him on the spot. Needless to say, this is going to him. Where was I? Specifically formulated for oily or blemish-prone skin, the non-drying formula is infused with kaolin clay to lift away excess oils and daily impurities, hawthorn extract to help leave the skin feeling soothed, and baldo leaf extract to improve the look of skin's clarity. This balancing cleanser also helps to visibly improve the look of skin texture whilst minimizing the look of blackheads. What was I talking about? Blackheads and post-blemish discoloration. Gentle enough for daily use. It leaves skin looking clear, less oily, and more even with every wash. Okie dokie. So yeah, I don't, maybe this was the item I was smelling. This also has somewhat of a strong scent, but okay. The last item is the UVE Beauty BU Limited Collection. Basically, these are a whole bunch of like beauty sponges. So we got like 3 minis and 3 full size, the color of the rainbow, you know, Pride Month, whatever. They feel very, very soft even within the packaging, so I like that. I don't like using beauty sponges that are very hard or firm. I just feel like I'm literally beating my face, and I feel like I get a more seamless blend out of the more softer and squishy sponges, so I'm actually excited to use these. Now it says, I'm just gonna pick up 2 while I talk about this. The VU collection includes 3 full-size and 3 minis, antibacterial blenders to keep your skin cleaner and prettier by preventing bacterial growth throughout. The cloud-like texture sets your makeup in the softest, most effortless way, while also preserving your costly creams, liquids, and powders developed in support and solidarity with our LGBTQ plus community, where you can always be proud to be you. This is also a new brand to Boxy. I didn't mention also that leave-in conditioner is also a new brand to Boxy. Let me make sure. And you guys already know that Patrick Ta's new brand Boxy. Anyway, so those are my boxings for the month of June. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please comment, like, and subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. And have a good one. Bye.